Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you find this helpful. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This is my personal experience using the Trezor hardware wallet, and I hope it's informative for you. We're exploring Trezor, a leading name in cryptocurrency hardware wallets. Their website, located at https://trezor.io, is the primary resource for learning about their products and services. Visiting the site provides a comprehensive overview of their two flagship hardware wallets, the Trezor Model 1 and the Trezor Model T. These devices are designed to offer enhanced security for your digital assets, acting as physical vaults for your cryptocurrencies. You'll find detailed specifications for each model, allowing you to compare features like storage capacity, supported cryptocurrencies, and the level of security they provide. Beyond the hardware itself, the Trezor website delves into the importance of securing your crypto investments. They emphasize the risks associated with online exchanges and software wallets, highlighting how hardware wallets like Trezor mitigate these vulnerabilities. The website provides clear and concise explanations of how these devices function, using encryption and offline storage to protect your private keys from online threats. They also offer extensive documentation and support resources to guide you through the setup process and answer any questions you may have. Exploring their site further, you'll find information on the company's commitment to open-source development and security best practices. This transparency helps build trust and allows users to verify the integrity of the Trezor ecosystem. Whether you're a seasoned crypto investor or just beginning your journey, the Trezor website provides valuable information to help you secure your digital assets. They offer a range of resources from beginner guides to advanced technical documentation, ensuring that users of all levels can benefit from their expertise. Finally, they have a robust community forum where users can connect, share their experiences, and get support from both the Trezor team and fellow users. This fosters a sense of community and helps users stay informed about the latest developments in the world of cryptocurrency security. Make sure to check out the link in the description for more details.